Captain's log, supplemental. The rap battleship SS Minnow has responded to a distress call from an alien comedy club. The message was garbled. An alien comedian is trapped on stage, surrounded by a hostile audience. Among the crowd may be the squad's worst nightmare, hecklers. Great COD. I hope we are not too late to save the show.
And then the gnome mime says, "Pause for dramatic effect. Badum-tis. I shall now pause for your applause. Proceed with laughter and mirth-making." This concludes our comedy performance.
Party rubble! We're in trouble!
Heckler detected. Comedy Squadron, Code Magenta, armed heckler countermeasures.
That heckler's about to get wrecked!
Choose your heckler countermeasure. Will the punchline be lethal, less lethal, or a witty retort? Choose now. You have chosen lethal countermeasures. Cod of War deployed to consume the heckler. Knock, 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 knock. Knock, 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 knock.
Are lethal countermeasures the best solution to a heckler problem? Is the Cod of War the best comedian for the job? No. No, probably not. But it will be funny to watch them fail. Tune in next time for Lethal Countermeasures. That's next time on Codama Squadron, Special Tactical Funny Unit. Don't miss it.
Thank you.